Good morning, children. Today we started a new lesson, lesson number 15, blow hot and blow cold. This lesson deals with air and its properties. And this lesson proves that air can be hot as well as cool. What we learned in our classes like class 1 and 2 and 3, that air is one of the basic needs. Air has no color, no shape, no taste. But we can feel air. Feel air. When the breeze blows or the wind blows, we can feel the air. Air has weight, heaviness and lightness. At the same time, when there is a warm air, hot air, it always rises up, as we see when mummy makes puris or when you have the hot air balloons and when you make a fulka roti. You can see the warm air when the water changes into water vapor. The warm air makes the fulka to flow, to blow. Similarly, the cool air is heavy. It makes the things to come down. Like you have a simple balloon, when you kick the balloon, it will come down. A ball, a football, every ball comes down because they have the cool air. It's normal air. It doesn't mean it is very cool, normal air. But once the air gets heated up, it becomes warm, it is hot, it always rises up. So air is a basic need. We all depend upon air. Our heart, left side we have an organ called heart. Heart's main role is to pump oxygen and take away carbon dioxide from all the body parts. So heart pumps oxygen, what we breathe inside, it's called inhale. From the lungs it is connected. Heart takes oxygen to all parts of the body at the same time. It collects the carbon dioxide and exhale out. So whatever air we blow out, either with the nose, you can feel the warmness, or with the mouth, it is warm. And when we blow the air with a closed mouth like this, we feel cool. Actually, air is hot, warm. But once when we are blowing with a closed mouth, closed lips, the saliva inside the mouth makes the warm air cool. So when mama gives you a hot cup of milk or any hot thing, a khare, you always say like this to make it cool. And when you feel very cool, a cool day in winter, so you say, you're giving warmness to your body. So how we face hot air and cool air in our daily life. Similarly, when we have spectacles with us, when we blow on a glass or spectacle, a plain glass like this, you can see a haziness. That is our hot air. When it comes in contact with the cool surface of the glass, the hot air, vapors, full of vapors, water vapor, converts into tiny droplets of water. That is condensation. And easily you can wipe your glasses. Okay. Next is how to measure your heartbeat. Your heart is continuously working, pumping out blood along with oxygen and taking back the carbon dioxide. For this we have an instrument called stethoscope. You must be have seen when you go to doctor, visit doctor. First of all, he checks your heartbeat, is it normal or not, how it is beating, the pulse rate. Stethoscope, the ear knobs are kept here, and there is a mic, it is kept on the heart, and we just, the doctor listens to the heartbeat. But now you can make your own stethoscope at your home using a very simple materials like you need a funnel, a balloon and a hollow pipe. You can see a hollow pipe. Connect the funnel with the pipe with sellotape and your stethoscope is ready. Keep this on your place of the heart and you can listen to your heartbeat. As now I am still, the heart may beat slowly, tap, tap, tap. If I do some vigorous exercise, climbing steps or jump, you can listen much faster. Tap, 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 tap. Okay. So, children, I want every one of you to make this stethoscope, and we have a lovely activity ahead. So, for the next class, I want every child to come with their own stethoscope. Okay? Thank you very much.